Stop by and take a look at the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.